Kan?
Ngayon nga po makikita natin yung
Ay,
parehong baguhan.
tuloy mo to, tuloy. Naka-video yan.
Magandang dapat sumugod ng takedown, takedown. 2 points red.
Get behind! Go behind, Robby! Go behind! Tanggalin mo yung kamay! Tanggalin mo yung kamay niya! Tanggalin mo yung kamay niya! Tanggalin mo! Pin! Robby, punta ka sa gilid niya! Punta ka sa gilid! Yan! Yan! Kita mo! Kita mo! Harap! Sige!
2 points blue. Start natin is all two.
Sige, all to lang!
Coach, against the light.
Pag kinukuha niya leg mo, punta ka sa gilid niya!
Okay, bago po natin i-pinaka-action. Pagkalap po sa mga players after the bout, after the match, pinag po tayo sa ating medical team. Both players po. Okay, announce the result for bout number 2, sideline tigers. Winner of the bout, red. Yes, match winner, red. Okay, next match po natin between Reliable versus Matalaw. Remember na po na after po ng match, yung vote na nag-vote po ay diretso po tayo sa ating medical team. Salamat po.
Times up na rin po. Okay, car wash, car wash.
Next vote natin between Reliable versus Catalona, 56 kilograms Catalona.
Go po!
Coach.
Basta ko!
Ano lang? Uy.
Start natin is 38. Lamang si red.
Coach, buo to, coach. Coach, buo to.
Open 2 points for blue. Start natin is 9
Last 1 minute, 11 seconds.
1 minute and 11 seconds. We have ayaw ka ang tempo pag-ibon. Ulit. 1 point for blue.
Okay, we would like to acknowledge the presence
Start
of
natin.
Sir Edward Kelly. Okay, Coach Kelly. Nakakamayo po.
54 seconds.
Last 54 seconds. Mahanap silang tempo para makakawin. Action! Action! Sumugat lang po ulit si Blue. Wala na
And ready na po yung mga next ball. Repeto and Salino. Ball number 2 po natin. Ready na.